Media rewards. Is it worth it? Short answer depends. It is free to download. It is worth it if you do not mind granting microphone permissions and leaving the app running in the background for occasional surveys, gift cards, and prize draws. Skip it if you value maximum privacy or expect reliable income. Here's everything you need to know in 2 minutes. One important thing before continuing, the app requires microphone access to recognize media around you. According to the company, it creates audio fingerprints of TV, radio, streaming content, and ads rather than recording conversations, but that requirement is why many phones display that their microphone is always in use. Here are the three things that actually matter about this app. 1. It runs in the background for free and rewards eligible users with surveys, gift cards, XP, and weekly prize draws. You do not have to manually check it throughout the day because it automatically detects media exposure. 2. Earnings are inconsistent. Many users report receiving very few paid surveys after the first few weeks, along with battery drain, notification issues, and periods where the app shows inactive even while media is playing. 3. The mic is always on warning is not as simple as it looks. The app says it generates audio fingerprints instead of storing conversations, and monitoring usually pauses between midnight and 6 a.m. or when your battery gets very low. Now let me show you a real-world use case. After installing the app, microphone permission and background activity need to stay enabled so it can recognize nearby TV, radio, streaming shows, and advertisements automatically. Over time, the app may invite users to complete surveys based on that detected media exposure. Compare that with Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel, which generally offers more predictable rewards in supported regions. Media rewards can still work for people who already use survey apps, but users should expect passive listening to unlock opportunities rather than provide steady earnings by itself. So is the media rewards worth it? It depends. It makes sense for users willing to exchange passive media monitoring data for occasional rewards, but not for anyone seeking dependable income or stronger privacy. A better option for many people is Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel because its reward structure is generally more consistent. That is the full breakdown.